Children, I have completed pair of linear equations in two variables, that is fourth chapter. Now, next I am going to talk about similar triangles. Similar triangles. This is a geometric part. So in this, let us first talk about PPT. Important sums I am teaching. PPT you should know. What is PPT means, children? Basic. This is also called basic proportionality theorem. This is the name. This is also called as Thales theorem. These are the different names given to it. Basic BPT means basic proportionality theorem, or it is also called as Thales theorem. Okay, children. Now, what does this theorem says? The theorem says that if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, it divides the other two sides in equal ratio. This is the statement, children. Remember one thing, children. Whatever theorems for which you have got a specific name, that theorem statements you have to learn. BPT, converse of BPT, and then you have got angle similarity, side angle side similarity, and then you have got Pythagorean theorem, converse of a Pythagorean theorem. Whichever theorems have got only a particular name given to it, for that statements you should learn. In some cases, for short answers, they will ask you to write the statement of that particular theorem. And one more thing which you should be very careful about it is, for some theorems, you have got converse theorems. Like BPT you have converse, Pythagoras theorem also you have a converse. What is this converse? Now this PPT when you talk about, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, it divides the other two sides in equal ratio is PPT. What does its converse says? If a line divides any two sides of a triangle in equal ratio, then prove that the line is parallel to the third side. So it's a converse. It is the other way. They have given here parallel. You need to prove that sides are similar in same ratio. In the second one, they have given that the sides are in same ratio. You have to prove that it is equal. So sometimes what they do, in the examination, they will give the statement of converse theorem, like converse of PPT. What I said now, if a line divides any two sides of the triangle in same ratio, then prove that the line is parallel to that side. What do you people usually, the students, what they do is, they just read one or two words. Oh, it's converse of the PPT. I know. Then you start writing and everything you will finish. But what they do, the trickish way of asking question, after writing the entire statement, below one more line they will give. What do they give? State and prove converse of above theorem. Converse. That means if they have given converse of PPT, you have to write PPT. If they have given BPT, you have to write converse of PPT. But what did you do? You did not read the problem totally. So by reading one or two words, Oh, you thought that, yeah, it is, I know it perfectly well and you have written everything. Are you not losing marks, children? Develop a habit of reading total problem. You have got certain time allotted for reading the problems also. Not only problems, your questions in other subjects also. Some specific time is allotted to read the questions. So thoroughly practice and do. Okay, now let us come back to this, children. Here, what is it? A line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, then it divides the other two sides in the same ratio. So let me draw a triangle. This is triangle A, B, C and a line L is drawn parallel to. Parallel means you will be giving this symbol no? Parallel to one side of a triangle. Then let me call this point as a D, this point as E. So it divides the remaining two sides in the same ratio. That means AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. You need to prove. So what is given to you, children? In triangle ABC, L is parallel to BC. And what else they have given? L intersects AB at D and AC at E. Okay, children, that means D lies on AB and E lies on BC. This is what is given to you. Now, what is RTP? What is that you have to prove? You have to prove that AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. This is what you need to prove. AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Now here we have got a construction table. What is this construction? You have to draw a line EF perpendicular to AB and DG perpendicular to AC, and you need to join CD and BE. Always construction should be drawn in broken lines. So what are the constructions here, children? The first one is draw EF perpendicular to AB and DG perpendicular to AC. That is first one. And second one, join BE and CD. These are your construction. Now let us go for the proof. We can take ADE as one triangle and BDE as another triangle. Let us find the ratio. Area of triangle ADE by area of triangle BDE. BDE is equal to, see, area of triangle means half base into height, that is half into base is AD into height is EF. by area of triangle BEC is nothing but half base BD into height is same EF. Why is it same, children? BDE is an obtuse angle triangle. See, if you have an obtuse angled triangle, its perpendicular will be away from the triangle. So, for this triangle, its perpendicular is this only. So, half and half, this and this will get cancelled. So, what are you getting here? AD by BD. Area of triangle ADE by area of triangle BDE is equal to AD by BD. Similarly, this is the symbol for similarly. Area of triangle ADE by area of triangle CED. CED, this triangle, is equal to half into AD into, here you can take a DG. AD into DG by half into CE into DG. So this half will get cancelled. So AD by CE you have got. Okay. AE by CE, not AD. AE half into AE, it is not AD, children, sorry. AE half into base into height. So AE by CE you have got. Now when you carefully observe in these two children, both of them are having numerator as the same, ADE, ADE. But denominators only are different. What are they? Area of triangle BEC. This is BDE. Area of triangle BED, children. This is CED is here. BED. I forgot and I wrote to C. It is a D. Area of triangle BED. Area of triangle ADE by area of triangle BED you have taken. And area of triangle ADE by area of triangle CED you have taken. So in this case, numerators are same. But if you observe triangle BED and triangle CED, in these two triangles, what you are getting, children? These two triangles are lying on the same base DE and in between the same parallels, because they have given L is parallel to BC. So in 9th class you have studied a theorem. If two triangles lie on the same base and they lie in between the same parallels, they are equal in area. So area of triangle BED will be equal to area of triangle CED. That means these two are equal. When LHS are equal, RHS also will be equal. So we will write that area of triangle BED is equal to area of triangle CED. The reason is because they lie on the same base and between same parallels. So because they are lying on the same base, that is a DE, and in between the same parallels L and BC, we will say these two triangles are having same area, BED and CED. So LHS are equal. So RHS will be equal. Therefore, we will say that, therefore, AD by BD is equal to AE by CE. Hence, proved. This is the proof of the theorem, Thales theorem, children. I hope you have understood. Area of triangle ADE by area of triangle BED is equal to half base into height, half AD into EF, and here half base BD into EF. So half and EF will be cancelled, AD by DB you will be getting. Similarly, area of triangle ADE divided by area of triangle CED is also, you are getting AE by EC. When you see these two LHS, numerators are one and the same. You are finding difference as the denominators only. So, to find the difference here, what you have to find to find the equality here, you should understand about the theorem. Triangle BED, if you see this is triangle BED, triangle CED is this triangle, that means both of them are having same base. So, both the triangles are lying on the same base and in between the same parallels. L and B are parallels, they have given to you. So, definitely their areas are equal. Basing on the theorem which you have studied in 9th class. They lie on the same base and between the same parallels. So, when LHS are same, RHS will be same. So, AD by BD is equal to AE by EC. This is what is asked. You have proved. This is the Thales theorem, children. Very, very important theorem. Write down this. Now, we will be going to the next important part. Now, example 1 for this children. Example 1. This is important to you. You have got a triangle ABC and DE they gave this symbol, that means they are parallel. Now what is given to you? In triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC and AD by DB is equal to 3 by 5 and AC is equal to 5.6 centimeters. What is AE? This is the question. So what are the values they have given, children? AD is 3. DB is 5. AC means this whole thing is 5.6 centimeters. These are all. Now you need to find out what is AE. Let us suppose AE as x centimeters. Okay. Now let us see what is the solution for this. In triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC, therefore AD by DB is equal to AE by EC basing on basic proportionality theorem. So you have got AD as 3, BD as 5, AE is x. So what is EC, children? It is 5.6 minus x centimeters. This whole thing is 5.6. This is x means from 5.6 if you subtract this you are going to get this. So AD is 3 by 5 is equal to x by 5.6 minus x. So let us go for the calculation here. On cross multiplication, 5 into x, 5x is equal to 3 into 5.6 minus x. That means 5x is equal to 3 6 are 18, 3 5 are 15, 1 16. 16.8 minus 3x. So bring this 3x the other side. 5x plus 3x is equal to 16.8. 8x is equal to 16.8. X is equal to 16.8 by 8. 8 ones are 8 twos are 8 ones are 2.1. So x is equal to 2.1. What is x? That is AE. AE is equal to 2.1 centimeters. This is the answer for this problem, children. I hope you have followed this. This is example 1. Important sum. Next, hope you have copied. Now, we go to example 2. What is this example 2? Example 2 again, you are having a triangle A, B, C and L, M is drawn parallel to this. In this, what is given? AL is equal to x minus 3. AC means this whole thing is equal to 2x. BM is x minus 2. And BC is BC. That means this whole thing, BC. 2x plus 3. Now you have to find x value. The question is x is equal to how much? So see children, if it is totally 2x in triangle ABC, solution I am talking about, in triangle ABC, CM is nothing but 2x plus 3 minus x minus 2. From this whole thing, if you subtract this, you will be getting CM value. That is 2x plus 3 minus x plus 2. 2x minus x, x plus 5. So, CM, you are getting its value as x plus 5. Now, you want LC or CL. CL is equal to 2x minus x minus 3. Why? This whole thing is 2x, this is x minus 3. That means 2x minus x plus 3. X plus 3. So this is x plus 3. Now you need to find out x. So what you can say? In triangle ABC, LM is parallel to AB. This is given to us. Therefore, what you can say, BM by MC is equal to AL by LC basing on basic proportionality theorem. This is x minus 2 by MC is x plus 5 is equal to x minus 3 by x plus 3. So go for cross multiplication. X minus 2 into x plus 3 is equal to x minus 3 into x plus 5. So when you multiply this, x square, you know that x plus a into x plus b formula, children. That is x square plus x into a plus b plus ab. I hope you have remembered this algebraic expression which you have done earlier. So in this case, x square plus x into 3 plus minus 2 means 1, I will get 1 minus 6 is equal to x square plus x into 5 minus 3, 2 plus, plus into minus, minus 3 5s are 15. That means x square plus x minus 6 is equal to x square plus 2x minus 15. These two x squares will get cancelled because they are on either side of equality. So let me take minus 6 plus 15 is equal to 2x minus x. Because x value more is here, so this one I have taken it there. This is 9 is equal to x. Therefore, x value is 9. This is your answer. So all these problems are basing on BPT. I hope you have understood, children. Copy it. Now, even example 3 is very important. So, let us see. What is example 3? The example 3 is the diagonals of a quadrilateral. It starts like this. The problem is the diagonals of a quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at a point O such that AO is equal to CO. Now you need to AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. Prove that ABCD is a trapezium. This is the one. See, children, they have not given any diagram for it. You need to draw the diagram. Earlier two examples, diagram is given to you. So in the examination, you will be getting diagram. But for this problem, only problem will be given to you. Diagram will not be given to you. So first, you need to frame the diagram and then you have to continue your work. So what is that? ABCD is a quadrilateral. So let me draw a quadrilateral ABCD. Diagonals means this, no, children? These are the diagonals. Diagonals are intersecting at O. Then what is given to you? ABCD is a quadrilateral. Diagonals AC intersects BD at O. And also they have given that AO by BO is equal to CO by OD. This is given to you. What is RTP that is required to prove? ABCD is a trapezium. So first of all, you should know the meaning of trapezium. What is a trapezium, children? Trapezium is a quadrilateral in which a pair of the sides are parallel and the others are not parallel. So these two should be parallel, these are non-parallel. So when they ask you to prove that ABCD is a parallel trapezium, that means what they are asking us to prove? That AB is parallel to CD. This you need to prove. So for this you have got a construction. What is the construction, children? You have to draw a line. X, say a line L parallel to AB. Draw a line L parallel to AB and it intersects AD at X. L intersects AD at X. This you should do. How? So now we need to find out the proof. Now before going to this, let us manipulate this. AO by BO is equal to CO by OD implies AO by CO is equal to BO by OD. We need this. Why do we need this? I will tell you in the proof. So let us go for the proof. So when we are talking about the proof, we said that line L is parallel to AB. So in triangle ADB, XO is parallel to AB. This is our construction. Since XY is parallel to AD, what you can say, children? You can say that BX by AX is equal to OD by OB. Basing on BPT. In a triangle, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, it divides the other two sides in the same ratio. So what we have got? We have got that dx by ax is equal to do by OD. Okay, children. Now this means here we have got OB by OD, no? So this implies I am reversing it. AX by DX is equal to OB by OD. What did I do? I have just reversed it. AX by DX is equal to OB by OD, I said. Now, when you say that AX by DX is equal to OB by OD, what are you understanding? This is dividing these two in the same ratio. Now, we take this one. What is this? In triangle ACD. In triangle ACD, AX by DX. In triangle ACD, AX by DX will be equal to, what is given to you, children? OB by OD. This is, we have got it. OB by OD. OB by OD means what, children? OB by OD means what? AO by OC, no? OB or BO by OD or OB by OD is same. This is equal to AO by OC they have given, no? So instead of this, we will be writing AO by OC or CO. AO by CO. What is AO by CO? This is AO by OC. What we have got? AX by DX. AX by DX is equal to AO by OC. We got. What do you mean by this? This implies X4 is parallel to CD basing on converse of BPT. I think you are understanding, children. When I took this triangle, I said this is parallel. This by this is equal to this by this. I have proved basing on BPT. Now I have reversed it. AX by DX is equal to OB by OD, I said. But what is OB by OD here? OB by OD is AO by OC. So instead of OB by OD, I have taken AO by OC. So when I have taken AO by OC, AX by DX, XD is equal to AO by OC means these are the sides of this triangle. So when you could prove that the two sides are proportional, then definitely this line is parallel to this basing on converse of BPT. So what you can say, we have already proved that. We have already proved this XY is parallel to AB, it is our construction. And now we have proved that AB, we will say that X4 is parallel to AB, this is our construction, and X4 is parallel to DC, we have just now proved. We have proved. Therefore, we will say that DC is parallel to AB. Therefore, ABCD is a trapezium. Hence, proved. So, this is what the problem says. A very, very important problems in this. Many times even I have seen in SSA examination also. This kind of problems are very important. Please try to understand 2-3 times. You rewind the video and listen to it carefully. You may get a doubt here, but here you see in triangle ACD, I have written AX by DX is equal to OB by OD, I said. Why did I say OB by OD? Because we have written here. But this OB by OD is equal to AO by OC. This is given to us. Okay. So, AX by DX is equal to AO by CO you have to take. It means what? XY is parallel to CD basing on converse of BPT. So, when they are parallel, XO is parallel to AB, that is our construction. XY is parallel to CD, we have just now proved, so that CD is parallel to AB. Don't get confused here, children. AX by DX is equal to OB by OD, I have taken this here. This is equal to AO by OC, I wrote. This is this part I have taken here. So don't get confused. Please write down. Now, we have got next part I will be doing in the next class, children.